Welcome. In this video I will show you how to backup and import G305 X SUPERLIGHT profiles in GHub. So let's open this application on our computer. Let's go to Profiles menu. Now select the profile that you want to backup. For example, here let's select a new profile 1. Click the three-dot icon next to it, select backup. You can add a description for this backup if you want to, then click backup. And then if you want to restore your profile, we're gonna have to click restore, select the profile we want to restore, and restore it. We can save it as new one or restore it to the previous one, and here we have it. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.